Hello everyone, what's up? Today I am in Banff National Park in Banff Town, and in this video I'm going to show you guys Banff Town, Bow Falls, Vermilion Lake and Cascade Garden. So stay tuned and watch the full video. And I just start my walk today from the intersection of Banff Avenue and Buffalo Street. Today is Saturday and right after the Stampede weekend, so obviously it's so busy. Literally there is no parking at all. As you can see how many people are in Banff Town. Not only the Banff Town, like literally I couldn't find any parking today in Lake Louise, Pedo Lake and also Bow Lake.
They do have like shops that are in the basement.
But it's nice. It's a warm. In Calgary right now is a heat wave, but the Banff Town there in National Park there is no heat wave. That's the best thing. And today everywhere, every single patio is open in Banff Town. As you know, in the summertime the Banff Avenue is closed for the all kind of public transit, only open for the Rome bus and the cycle. And in Banff nowadays parking is very expensive. There is a free parking spot in VRL station, so it's a little bit to walk. I think it's 5 to 8 minutes walk from Banff Town, but you can park your car all day with free parking.
सबको पता लग जाता है जैसे करते हो।
And If you are planning to visit Banff, I will suggest you can visit in the morning time, and if you are like you came in the evening time, most of the store will be closed. Yes, so in Banff town most of the store closed by 6 p.m.
It's a nice thing to go for like.
Campamento aí.
And this is the Banff Center. Today I just want to share with you guys a useful tips if you are making a day trip in Banff National Park and Lake Louise on your bucket list. I will suggest you can park your car in the Banff town and you can take the Rome bus or any other public transit to the Lake Louise, and it takes I think $5, and you can book your ticket online or in person, both, because it's really hard to find parking in Lake Louise. Literally I was there almost 2 hours. I wait 2 hours, but there is no parking at all. I have a guest, so basically I went to the Lake Louise to show my guest, but we don't find any parking, and yeah, we just come back. The most famous in Banff, Grizzly House Steakhouse, and also you can find some authentic meat in Grizzly House.
Please my time get out. And he got up and started screaming, so he left her $200
And also this Banff sweet shop. I will make a tour of the Banff suit shop.
All good sweets.
This is so nice. Cascade Garden is very close to the Banff town, and it's a must because it combines scenic beauty, botanical variety, historical significance, and stunning views. You can find a diverse range of both native and exotic plants, all while enjoying heartbreaking views of the surrounding mountains and the town of Banff. Look at this garden, it's so pretty. Some more you can explore. So this is it. Hope you like the blog, guys, and thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. So right now I'm in Bow Falls viewpoint. It's very close to the Banff town. So it's literally 7 to 8 minutes drive from the Banff town. Look at this beautiful rainbow. This view is mind-blowing with rainbow. Let's go to the closer to the falls. And right beside this walking trail there is a free parking.
I'm glad you like them.
So this is the closer version of the Bow Falls. It's literally looks very scary. Now I am in Vermilion Lake. It's a beautiful lake. It's near Banff town, and it's best time to visit the near sunset time to see all the reflection of the mountain on the lake. You want to say Kyoto?
Yeah, why not?
Huh? You can say Kyoto. Kyoto.